The Brezza ZXi Infotainment System seamlessly connects to your smartphone for calls, music, and navigation. To connect via Bluetooth, access the Settings menu on the infotainment screen, then select Bluetooth and enable pairing mode. On your phone, search for Brezza ZXi and enter the PIN, usually 000 or 1234 when prompted. Once paired, you can stream music and make calls. For navigation, the system relies on smartphone mirroring via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Ensure your phone is connected via Bluetooth or USB. Launch Android Auto CarPlay on the touchscreen. Select your preferred navigation app like Google Maps or Waze and input your destination. Voice commands like navigate to location offer hands-free operation. Real-time traffic updates are pulled from your phone's data plan. Remember, navigation accuracy depends on your phone's GPS signal. The Brezza ZXi supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, projecting your phone's interface onto the car's screen for seamless integration. To connect wirelessly, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, then select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on the infotainment screen and follow the pairing prompts. Once connected, access apps like Spotify for music, WhatsApp for messaging, and make calls or send messages directly from the car's interface. You can also use navigation features for turn-by-turn directions and real-time routing. Use voice assistants like Google Assistant or Siri for hands-free control of all features. The system switches to driving mode automatically to minimize distractions. Use voice commands and Do Not Disturb mode for safety while driving.